Can you solve this AP calculus problem involving this concept of parametric equations? Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so what we are given here is a classic parametric equation situation: x equals e to the power of 2t and y equals sine 2t. Then we need to find dy dx, the derivative. Okay, so first, just a little bit of background is what are parametric equations. So when you have two functions, continuous functions x and y, such that the x is a function of a third variable, a parameter called t, and y is also a function of this parameter called t, y is a function of t, then essentially these equations that we have of function of the functions x and y as functions of t are basically what are called parametric equations. And when you get the x and y values out of these, and for different uh, changes in the parameter t, so as t values change, you get different coordinate points x, y, that gives us the parametric curve of that set of parametric equations. Okay, so in this case we are given these two parametric equations, and what we have to find is the derivative. So in order to find the derivative, so we have to use what's called the chain rule. Okay, chain rule. Why is that? Because if you have a function, okay, y is a function of x, which is a function of this parameter t, then when you take the derivative of that so derivative of the y with respect to t, dy dt, then you can use the chain rule. The outer function is f of x, so that's going to be dy dx, the derivative of that, and then the derivative of the inner function with respect to x is going to be dx dt. So now in order to get this, all I have to do is cross multiply, and I get dy dx equals dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Okay, so now we have our x value. The x is equal to e to the power of 2t, and then we have our y equals sine of 2t. So let's go ahead and take the derivative with respect to t for each of those. So what we have is dx by dt is going to be derivative of e to the power of 2t is going to be e to the power of 2t, and then we're going to take the derivative of the inner function, which is 2t. So 2t derivative of 2t is simply going to be 2. Okay, and then dy by dt is going to be sine is going to be cosine of 2t, and then the inner function with derivative of that is 2 times, so 2 cosine 2t. So now let's go ahead and do dy by dt, and this right here, so that's going to be 2 cosine 2t divided by 2 e to the power of 2t. So 2 is cancelled. This is the final answer, cosine 2t divided by e to the power of 2t. So this is going to be choice E is the final answer. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll talk to you next video. Have a nice day. Bye.